Interesting trick to try to get a logo. Sometimes people have a hard time finding the right logo. Let me look at this spreadsheet, for example, here on the left side. Let's say we want to get this logo from Houston Radar, okay? Now, first of all, you want to make sure you have make sure you have the right website. So check out their website. So I'm going to click here on this spreadsheet, and let's say I go to Houston Radar. Let me open this up nice and big here. So you'll see that most websites have a logo. So here's Houston Radar to make sure that it's the right logo. And sometimes it's grabbable, but sometimes it's not. So see, the text is not grabbable here in this case here, but the icon might be. See, we grab this and drag it to my desktop, and there is a logo file. Okay, so often you can grab it right from your website. Now, if all else fails, what you can do is enlarge. I'm hitting Command plus to enlarge my screen, and it gets kind of blurry, but sometimes you can get the right size and you can do a screen capture. So Command Shift 4, I marquee around it and capture it, and voila, there's another version of this. Now, the other thing you can do too is, let me go back to view here and do actual size of this website. Now that I know what the logo looks like, the correct one, just go into Google and type in Houston Radar logo and go to images. And now you know what they look like. You can see all of the logo files that are out on the internet. Now, this is a way to get the logo simply and easily without bothering the client. Because obviously, if you want a high resolution version, you want to contact the client and get a good high quality vector graphic. But I'm just showing you a way to get a simple logo file. So again, I look at these here, I click on one, and it'll pop up over here on the right. And you see the size here, 310 by 89. Yeah, 310 by 89. That's kind of small. I click on this one, 300 by 300. And again, you can usually click and drag. Sometimes, oops, it's going to my Facebook channel or their Facebook channel. You can click and drag it sometimes here. Here's a square one. So I'm going to bring that over here. See, there's one. You can X out of this. And you can noodle around. You can look through this and see if you can find better versions of the logo. But so far, what I'm finding, let me look at this one here. Yeah, this one's not bad. This one's 400 by 200. I'm going to click and drag it. See, I'm able to drag this right on my desktop. So see, already I have Houston Radar logos. Okay, so now what I do is I close this, and then I'm going to preview this by hitting my space bar so I can look at this one, this one, this one, or this one. Already the ones that I grabbed from their website are better. I happen to like this one the best. So then what I'll do is I'll often bring this right into Photoshop, and I'll open it up and see it's kind of grainy. That's why it's always better to get a good quality one from them, but you can use various filters. You can go into Photoshop and use a sharpen filter to really sharpen this up. Hit sharpen a couple of times. And you can play around with it that way, but more times than not, let me not save this. More times than not, you can simply go to the website and find a logo you're working for without bothering the client. And that's how to grab a simple logo.